The carpet is a forest of 1,000 tiny things. You're dragging out the engine and the purple velvet strings. It doesn't make a rumble, it just whispers in the hall, sucking up the shadows that are dancing on the wall. We're cleaning out the Mondays and the times we didn't speak, leaving only glitter on your rosy-colored cheek. Velvet vacuum cleaner, sucking up the blue, turning all the static into something brand new. Airy-fairy whispers, pink noise dreams, mending all the ego with the fuzzy-wuzzy seams. If the room is getting empty, then the heart is getting full. Velvet vacuum cleaner, give a little pull. You're spinning in a circle with the nozzle in the air, catching all the ghosts that were hiding in my hair. Hey, hey, the bag is full of secrets and the words we took too far. Now they're just some stardust in a vintage glass jar. You say don't stop the suction till the ceiling starts to glow. We're living in a bubble in a velvet-covered show. Velvet vacuum cleaner, sucking up the blue, turning all the static into something brand new. Airy-fairy whispers, pink noise dreams, mending all the ego off the fuzzy-wuzzy seams. If the room is getting empty, then the heart is getting full. Velvet vacuum cleaner, give a little pull. Vroom, vroom, soft, take the sadness aloft. The edges of the reality are getting really loft. It's a fluffy kind of magic, it's a soft core rush, sucking up the chaos with the velvet-covered brush. Oh yeah, breath in, breath out. What was I sad about? Velvet vacuum cleaner, sucking up the blue, turning all the static into something brand new. Airy-fairy whispers, pink noise dreams, mending all the ego at the fuzzy-wuzzy seams. If the room is getting empty, then the heart is getting full. Velvet vacuum cleaner, give a little pull. Is it clean yet? Sparkly.